spent most of yesterday cutting out this drive, part going through the woods. Back in there. What are you guys doing? You having a blast? About 850 feet out to the road, I think. Done. About 350 feet into the woods. You girls wave? Well, if you have hung around this video this long, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch. And if you're so inclined, give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. This is one of the biggest projects I had ever taken on as a part-time excavator person. My father-in-law, seen right there on that garden tractor, we worked on this every evening and weekend for several weeks, months actually, trying to accomplish this job. It was a lot of dirt to move. We got it all hauled up around the house eventually. Here you can tell we're working down the sides of the driveway in preparation of seeding it. It's about October, judging by the age of that corn. So we're getting ready to seed this down, and hopefully, well, I know that we have some good grass growing along the edges now. It all looks green and beautiful. And so there's some grass growing now actually. Here's up by the house. We graded that all out, hauled some stone up there. Here's the curve up by the house. It was a lot of work, but it was well worth it. It turned out great, and I'm proud of it. So thanks again for watching. Here's a shot of the house before, and you're going to see the house now as it looks. It turned out great. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully we'll see you the next time around.